guys, welcome back to another video. If you didn't watch my first homemade squishy collection for 2016, then go check that out. Because, yeah, it's got 18 views. Not that many views. But it is for my channel because I don't think I've ever had 18 views. I've had 15, but not 18. But anyway, I've made more squishies, and my other video was really bad quality, so I'm going to do a different one. So let's just get started. I'm sorry, let's just get started. It's not working. Okay, ready? Let's just get started right now. I've got my place where I store my squishies. I moved them into this purple picnic box thing that I got in a little tea set that I used to have when I was little. But anyway, some of these are bad quality because they are really old. Some of them are really good. Anyway, let's just get started. I've got like an eyelash under my eye. What are my new ones? Okay. So, some of my new ones are this lemon orange cake. It's very squishy. Like, very squishy. But it is pretty defected in there. And it kind of is defected up here. You just can't see it in there. Oh, I already showed you that bit. It's not. It's like defected in that area, but not like over. Oh yeah, over there. Didn't even notice that defect. But yeah, then I've got this strawberry and grape one. It's defected in there, and it's bitten. It's supposed to be a bitten cake. There's defects up here. Sorry if you can hear noises, our TV's on. There's defects all the way up there. Not really any defects up here, except for those two. So yeah. This I need to do another one of because it's cracking. It's like peeling off on this side. It's my L letter charm. As you see. It's very squishy, but it like all the paint is coming off. So yeah. What else do I have? So these are my newer squishies. Now I'm gonna go on to this is my new squishy. This is my Hello Kitty boy, and this is my first one that I made with foam, not memory foam, but foam. Instead of makeup sponges. And sponge. And it is super squishy. It's the dotted one. So it's the Hello Kitty dotted bow. It's not really a Hello Kitty, but it took a while to dry because I kept on touching it. So I had to give it touch-ups. But I need to give it touch-ups in here because, yeah. It's like defected in here. It's like peeling off. But that's one of my new ones. Now we're going on to, still one. This is my bad one, but it is very dense. Very dense. This is the strawberry blushed kawaii lemon and lime cake. It says strawberry blushed kawaii lime and lemon cake. But the thing about this is it may be just a sponge with a really horrible face, as you see. But ready? I'll squish it. There's still my fingerprints in it. Like, seriously. It's very squishy. It's very dense. So, now I've got to make sure we go on to my medium squishies. So it went from newest, medium to oldest. So yeah, I just need to sit up. Okay, so the medium ones I've got here. I've got this strawberry filled cake. It's not defected in the cream. I can even squish it. It won't be defected in the cream, but it is defected in the filling area. And I made another one, and it was blueberry one, but it got kind of smudged. And the funny thing is, it's defected in the cream this time, but it's not defected in the, it's like not really that much defected in the filling. So yeah, two opposite things. I've also got this, I was bored, so I made this strawberry and white chocolate bar. Very surprising. So yeah, that's starting to crack off all the paint as well. Wait, seriously. It's kind of defected in there, but who really cares? Not me. Duh. Okay, so that was my only medium squishy. Now I'll go into my old squishies. What's the newest, oldest squishy? The newest, oldest squishy. So, this is my white bread, lemon and marshmallow mini toast one. The lemon and the marshmallow. It's not real marshmallow, it's just like fuzz. It's defected up there, down in here, but I don't blame it because I squish this a lot. It's like defected everywhere, but it's very squishy. Ready? Very slow rising. So yeah, there's that one. Then I've got my pepperoni, cheese, ham and chives pizza one. Then I've got my kawaii tray, right? It's like very, very squishy. Where's the mic? Don't know where the mic is. Oh. Hope you could hear that. Then I've got this stressed out toast. It is very squishy, but it's not like slow rising. I just put a bit of like paint on the sides and on the back. Added a face onto just a sponge. But it is kind of squishy. It's just for when I don't want something too hard, I don't want something too soft. So that's just right. Then I've got my chili squishy. I was trying to make the Neko Princess Magic Pill. But while it was drying, it fell on the floor and it broke in half because it was glued and it chipped all of the paint off. So I just turned it into a chili squishy, and this is the most slow rising. Ready? Like, won't come up. It won't come up until like 10 minutes, 20 minutes later. But it stays in this little packaging. What's the next squishy? I made this. This is my biggest squishy. It's my Red vs. Blue Galaxy squishy ball. This used to be it is a stress ball, but it used to be defected. That's why it's got like holes everywhere. So I tried turning it into a squishy. So I did Red vs. Blue Galaxy squishy ball. And it's very softer now. It's like easier to squish. Very squishy. Very squishy. Very. See that? See that? The packaging was very good. I think I was very proud of myself with this squishy packaging. But yeah. These were my worst squishies ever, but they are exactly like the stress toast. My scented Bretto pink cat squishy, and it's horrible. It's just a piece of foam with drawing on it. Seriously, Lily, seriously. Then I've got my Apple iPad Bretto. Seriously, I just can't even. No, stop. My most affected squishy I've got. So, this was the first ever squishy I ever done, and it was on a paint sponge thingy, and so I painted layers and layers, but that just cracked it, and it got so cracked that I started adding more and more layers, and it got super cracked. It's so defected that end and that end is horrible. Like, seriously, this is nearly falling apart. That's coming off. Defects in there. And there. Really, just everywhere. It's about to break when I squish it. It is very slow rising, but it hurts your hands when you squish it. You ready? That's the noise of it. Seriously. It's my bread face Ben one, but the face has come off. It was a kawaii face, which is really sad. That used to be the kawaii face until it came off. It didn't really work. And yeah, those are all of my squishies. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I should start putting these back in. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And some of these I did say that were inspired by people. I will tell you, if you didn't get to listen, I'll tell you in the description box below, which should be in there right now. Yeah. And if there are any of your favorite, if there is a squishy that you really like in here, leave a comment please and tell me which one's your favorite squishy. And if you like all of them, give this a thumbs up. So I'll see you next time. Bye guys. Mwah.